Oh my gosh, the light is bright as hell. Yo, what's good, unorthodox gang? We lit back for another video, and today we're gonna be doing a Xxxtentacion slash ski mask Slumpgod type beat. I haven't done one of these before, so this time this video is gonna be a little different. You'll see in a minute, but yeah, I think y'all should like it. If you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like. Don't forget to leave comments on any suggestions I should do on videos I should do in the future. Don't forget to turn on post notifications as well after you subscribe, because guys, we are so, matter of fact, I'm gonna watch this. Hold up real quick. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me go on socialblade.com. Alright, it's my channel on Social Blade. Where is it? Live subscriber count right here. Look at this. 923 subscribers, y'all. We're at 923 subscribers. Unbelievable. Alright, we're so close to 1K. So make sure you guys subscribe. Don't want to miss that. I got some very special plan for that. So make sure y'all subscribe, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. I've already said that like 1,000 times. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on my computer. Peace. Alright, y'all, back on my computer for this Xxxtentacion type beat. Now, what I decided to do first, if you haven't noticed already, I already made the beat. I'm just gonna try it. I'm just switching things up, see what happens. You know, hopefully you guys will like it. Hopefully, I don't know what I'm saying. But anyway, so first off with the beat, I just started off by bringing the tempo down to 120, because Xxxtentacion type beats are, I'm just gonna say X, because that name is a mouthful. So X type beats are like slower than like normal trap beats, so they're down to like 110, 120 BPM. So I changed that immediately. Then I went and, as a matter of fact, let me show you the beat first. I'm gonna show you guys the beat. So here's what it sounds like. Alright, that is what I have for the X type beat slash C-Mask Slumpgod. I forgot. Slumpgod type beat. So that's all I got so far. So first thing I did was open up Omnisphere, and I chose the ambient space piano. Everybody knows this piano, I think. I mean, it's the most basic piano. On there, you know, standard stuff. I also put on an arpeggio, put up to 3 octaves, 1/16 clock, and I came up with this melody. Oops. And very nice trick. You see how it looks all, I know it looks all complex right now, but all I did with the melody is, matter of fact, I'm just gonna clear this top part. This is how I started off. I did C sharp, A sharp, C, then F. And actually, you know, it's gonna sound like that, because matter of fact, I'm gonna turn off the arpeggio. I'm gonna break this whole thing down for you. Turn off the arpeggio. I grows beat and I EQ'd a little bit, so I'm just gonna leave the EQ on. But this is all I did. Once I got that nice little, you know, loop melody down, I copied this with with shift and then pressing down or clicking, and I moved it up an octave, and then it sounded like that, but that was kind of boring to me. So what I did was I used Alt Y, flipped it around, and then it sounded more full, a lot nicer. So after that, I then went and added gross beat, of course my standard gross beat, half speed, and the flanging preset, and it's gonna sound like this. Very, very simple, you see? None too hard. And actually, I'll leave the FLP in the description, so if you miss anything, you'll find it there. So, and I also EQ'd it here a little bit. I wanted to bring the highs up a little bit more because it was really low. So, but I like this octave. So I cut out the low end, cut out some high end, but boosted this thing here, whatever the hell that is. And now, and that's my first sound. So we're gonna forget about that. And on to my second sound, which was the, matter of fact, let me just go into the playlist. Alright, this is my second sound. It's the In Memoriam 1, I think. Yeah, In Memoriam 1. Everybody knows that bell as well. This is the melody I came up with before my plugins, so I just had two plugins here, gross beat and reverb. What did I do? Oh yeah, I put the flanging on it, and then flanging preset on it, and some reverb on it, so that it just sounds like this. And another cool thing that I did was did some panning. Like I automated the panning so that it would go from left to right ear, and it would sound mad cool. So like this is what the panning would sound like. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but let me turn this up a little bit, and oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. You see, hear from ears, right? Hopefully you're wearing headphones and you know what I'm talking about. But that is what I did with the bells. And to do the panning thing, all I did was right click on this. Matter of fact, let's just delete this altogether. All I did was go to the second insert, because look, it's number 2 on the thing. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna put it down there. It's number 2 right here. So all I did, this is the panning feature right here. So what I did, let me reset this. All I did was create automation clip, go to the playlist, see it's right here. Here's the panning thing. What I did was this, bring this part up, and then this one all the way down, I believe. Right click, what am I doing? Right click down here on this little button on the panning thing. Then I went to wave, and then it's gonna start off, oh snap, wow. There, oh what am I doing? Okay, and then all you have to do to control the amount of waves and things, you gotta just use this. You can just hold it down and then move the mouse up or down. Add as many things as you want. So the more waves you have, so like this, it's gonna pan mad quick. Like, yeah, and it sounds like a weird echo. So I just kept it like around this. Or no. Whoops. Oh, whoops, there's 2. Let me get rid of this. There's 2 now. There we go. That's all I did. Just change the, what's it called? Change the mode, change the wave, adjust the amount of waves, and then you're done. Okay, next is the 808. Next, I just chose a distorted 808 from this X drum kit I found online, and this is what it sounds like. Oh, and before that, what I did, I changed the envelope and made it look like this. So I just turned up the hold and then turned down everything else. That's literally all you have to do. So that it, as soon as you, wait a minute, why is it? Oh, everything's off. So as soon as you let go of the note, when you play it, it's gonna cut off. So, see, it goes right away. See, that's all. Instead, and if I turn off the envelope, all it's gonna do is See how the tail's gonna be there and it's gonna decay and all that. I just turned on the envelope so that it would sound like I could control the 808, if that makes sense. So, and I also made it cut itself. So this is what the 808 pattern sounds like. Whoops. Very, very, very simple. And I just added wave shaper to it, EQ'd it a little bit, you know, cut out some of the high end, put wave shaper on it to boost some of that low end, and put on Maximus so it doesn't clip. And also kind of turned it down a little because at times 808 was kind of loud, so I didn't want to make it overbearing. Moving on to the kick, it's just simple kick. Whoops. It's a very simple kick pattern. I just add a wave shaper to it, and yep, same thing with the hats. The hats, all I did was do the two-step hats and then added some triplets in between there, random points. Like, doesn't really matter, because with X-type beats, you don't want to have crazy Southside rolls and all that, because this is an X-type beat. It's not, you know, normal trap music. It's just very dark and very energetic too. So, and I didn't add any presets to this because I don't really think it needed any. I mean, you might think differently, but I mean, that's on you. And then of course my snares. I'm gonna play the snares all together actually, because it just wouldn't make any sense. Yeah, so this is what the snares sound like because I just layered them. That's all I did. Oh, whoops. Wait a minute. Let me turn this on. Oh, this is where I turn it on. Okay. There we go. That's it. Very, very, very simple drums. And then when the hi-hats come in, oh, whoops, messed up, no. That's pretty much it. There's my Xxxtentacion type beat / ski mask, some guy, whatever you want to call it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's kind of different and it's probably gonna be a shorter video because I didn't actually make the beat. I did it beforehand because I wanted to, you know, switch it up. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, if you did, let me know in the comments, because I'll go straight back to just making the beat if you guys want to see that. But yeah, don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Leave comments on suggestions I should do in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. You already know we're almost at 1K. Alright, got some special plan for all y'all. And yeah, don't forget to turn on post notifications. Yeah, thanks again for watching. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.